What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden, and we are back with another live COD video. This week, definitely a ton of releases. So we start the week off with the Supreme Fall and Winter season. This is week, I don't know if you want to call it 0 or week 1. We weren't supposed to get the online release until next Thursday, but we're actually getting one this Thursday, along with the in-store signups. So definitely looking forward to that. Been waiting for Supreme for about a month and a half now. So this week, we got the season started. You know, definitely very excited about that. We also have these Jordan 3 laser oranges. These are the women's sizing onlys. Definitely good looking pair of Jordan 3s. Supposedly relatively limited when it comes to stock, so I wanted to go for some of the larger sizes. So this weekend we got another Yeezy 350 V2. This one is a Yeezy supply exclusive and Adidas raffle only type of shoe, at least for the US. This is called the Yeezy 350 V2 Israfil. It's pretty similar to this Yeezy 350, what's it called, Desert Sage, but I think this one is a very good looking colorway as well, so definitely looking forward to that release as well. And we also have the Jordan 12 Indigos. I think people are overlooking that shoe a little bit. I think that shoe can fetch some decent profit as well when it comes to resales. Similar to the Gold Jordan 12 that came out about like a few weeks earlier, so I want to go for some of that. So we got a ton of releases. So if you guys do like this week's video, don't forget to hit a thumbs up and like my video. And also, if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell, all right? Let's get into this week's live cop.
Depot on the beat.
What is this? I can't tell her. Alright, so that was a pretty rough drop. I just got the news that it seems like Kodai actually did really well during this release, and I did not run Kodai. I was banking on Cyber and Mech work for me. Cyber disappointed me again, but it is what it is. I mean, it seems like all the bots are trying to configure the new anti-bot system that Supreme implemented, so this is kind of expected. I only got one checkout, and that's from manual, and I don't even know if that's real or not because I haven't seen a confirmation email. I'm okay with the fact that I didn't catch anything during the initial drop. I'm gonna run for restocks like you see right here, and we'll go from there. I mean, like, I'm not too mad about it. I'm disappointed, but it's okay. It's not like it's a box logo week, you know, or like a huge collaboration week. So at the end of the day, Supreme is back. We're very excited about it, and we'll see how we do the rest of the season. This is just merely a bump in the road, you know? I have no half sizes. Fuck this. Oh shoot, I got some checkouts. What checked out? Hibbit checked out? Oh shoot, is that for real? Yo, so is gold, man, for real. Oh my god. I was about to take a big fat L on this, and then Soul just came in clutch on me. Oh, this is great. Thank you, man. Shout out to Soul. You guys are killing on Hibbits. This is just, that was just, oof. It was pretty rough. I gotta say. With the Jordan 3s, I mean, like, I couldn't believe it. Like, they don't even have size 12, and they don't even have any half sizes for larger sizes, for foot size. So like immediately we're just saying size not available, and then it went out really quick. Like people were not checking out, and then like it stopped. So I was prepared to take a big fat L. So now I'm just leaving everything on foot size just at restock, see if I can hit anything on Kodai and So. But thank goodness for SoAIO, man. Like holy shit. Shout out to all the developers there. Their Hibit module, I finally hit on their Hibit module, and it is very successful. I mean, granted, they limit everyone to only 3 tasks on Hibit because they don't want their method to get clipped, which I admire. And then during the 47 restock, I hit all 3 of my tasks, and they're big sizes, size 12, 11, and 10. So I'm very, very happy with that. And I am very happy with my decision to let that keep running. So usually with Hibit on Soul, if I did hit during initials, I just turn them off. But then today I was like, I didn't hit anything yet. Okay, I'm gonna try to leave it on and see if I can hit it in restock. And thankfully I did. And I'm glad So came through for me. And every other bot just didn't do well for me today. It seems like a very limited drop. The price of Jordan 3 already shot up quite a bit. Glad I didn't take an L entirely. Oh, and also TKS came through. Like TKS got me a 6.5. I mean, it's a small size, but I'll take it. Maybe my girl can wear it, you know? Yeah, that's where we're at right now. So yeah, tomorrow we got the Yeezys. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I've been farming my Gmails non-stop for this day. And then we also got the Jordan 12 Indigos. So yeah, we'll see. I got some slots running for the Yeezys for some members of RESELLAIO. Shout out. And we'll see how we do tomorrow. Alright, here we go. Let's get ready. I'm running some slots for some of my friends too, because Phantom was not doing well early on. It seems like it finally got back online, so let's see how the thing turns out today. Pretty interesting to see how well it's gonna turn out. This is gonna be interesting. Oh, I passed one. Hey, let's go, 7.5. I don't even know where it is right now. Like, I can't even tell where the checkout is. Oh, go past another one. Oh, declined. Where did it decline? Oh, past another one, Jesus. Let's go, another one. Got a 5. Let's go, size 5. Oh, let's go, another one, 6.5. Ooh, this is cooking. Ooh, this is cooking. Let's go. Size 13. Oh, let's go, another one. This magic is legit. Another decline. Just keep getting declines too. Smaller sizes getting declined, left and right. More declines. Jesus. Declines, man. Come on, stop declining me. Dude, these declines are for real killing me. Oh look, I got another checkout. Yay, size 12. There's only big sizes checking out now. I think the smaller sizes are out. Got one. Nice. Got a 13. Nice. Holy shit, that's fast. Okay. Okay. That's good. What the hell just happened? That was so many checkouts all at once. Okay, I think I'm done for today. So let's do a recap real quick. So we got a total of 9 checkouts so far on Splashforce for Yeezys. The Israfils, pretty good day. I mean, granted, again, I didn't get as many as I would have liked. I wanted to actually have
like 25, 50 clips. That was my hope. But unfortunately, I had way too many declines. So let's see. Right now, out of 54 results, 9 were checkouts. 45 was declines on this particular Yeezy. I got 9 checkouts, all on Splashforce. Shout out, Ivan went crazy again with the V3 magic, so I was able to get some checkouts. A couple base sizes, a couple large sizes, not too bad of a day. And then at 10 o'clock, I wanted to run for some 12s. I felt like this shoe is a little underrated right now. People are just not buying them. I think they will do decently well. I may be wrong, I may be just buying bricks, but good thing is I bought mostly on Finish Line. They usually come with a return label, so if I do need to return them, I could just return the shoes if they break. So immediately I turned on Kodai, I got 7 checkouts. And then I used Soul to get a checkout there for the Jordan 12s as well. I think I'm done for the day. I know there is the Eric Emanuel and Bape drop at 11 potentially, so I might run for some shorts there. But other than that, pretty good week. I'm glad everything worked out. You know, yesterday was a rough day. I was hoping to get a dunk, I couldn't. I've been striking out on dunks all season this year. But the Jordan 3s were hard, but good thing is I was able to cop 3 thanks to Soul AIO. So overall, I think I did okay this week. But yeah, I mean, pretty good week for live cops. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Now let's move on to the unboxing.
So we're gonna start the unboxing with some bricks. This is gonna be tough to move. I did not expect this to break this hard. I actually thought this is a good colorway. I know Jordan 5s are not typically the best resale silhouette for Jordans, but I mean, the colorway is really nice. I like it. I like the innovative idea behind it. So I thought this was gonna do at least decent when it comes to resale, but these are definitely breaking right now. So I already sold a couple of them on eBay as pre-listings, but these I'm gonna see if I have to return them or I have to take a loss. So we'll see how these are gonna pan out. But so these Jordan 1s, I gotta again shout out to the bot I mentioned last week, Rattenfinger. They actually did really well when it comes to Shoe Palace releases. Their Shoe Palace module is definitely on point right now. I know Shoe Palace wants to transition into Shopify right now, but for the time being, Rattenfinger has definitely been one of the good bots when it comes to Shoe Palace. So these are all the hauls I got from Shoe Palace. Some of this Jordan 1 Japans, I like these a lot. Unfortunately, they did not have any in my size, but these are actually really good looking. I really like them. Yeah, these are fire. This needs no introduction. These are just the smoke grays. They're doing pretty well when it comes to resales. Not as well as the Royal Toes, but still doing really well. And I got one more of the satin reds with the snake skins. This is a size 10, so I'm gonna hold on to it for a little bit because it's the largest size. Might do well later on if I hold it for a little bit. So again, shout out to Rattenfinger, definitely one of the up and coming bots. They're in beta right now, and I'm glad I got a copy. So that's all we have for this week. Hope you guys enjoyed this week's video with the live cops. I definitely had a great time and blast making it. So if you guys do like this week's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And again, if you haven't joined the kitchen yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, all right? We got more content. Next week is about to be another huge week, all right? We're gonna wrap up August with a bang. So in the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.